From getting the layout right to ensuring outstanding animation and photography, creating a great landing page is no easy feat. After all, it is your key to capturing attention and converting leads. And yet, the average landing page converts at a rate of 1.84%. That isn't going to work for you though, is it? If you're keen to get your Shopify store up and running, you need to do better than that. A well-crafted landing page can do wonders for your brand. And after generating $1 million from its stellar landing page, Moz happens to be a living statement to just that. But how do you create a landing page that stands out in front of your visitors? A high-quality landing page consists of various elements that vastly depend on your brand goals. So it's not like one thing fits all. However, whichever niche you're in, make sure you've honed the following best practices for creating a high-converting landing page for your e-commerce store. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the first in a two-part series all about landing pages and how to make them awesome. I'm gonna give you the top 10 issues a landing page has and how to fix them. And in the next video, I'll provide you with some tips on how you can actually create a high-converting landing page. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when the second video is live. Before diving into how you can create a high-converting landing page, let's take a look at the top 10 issues of a page to ensure yours doesn't have any. First up, text and images. With dozens of stellar graphic designing tools today, you have every liberty to drag and drop your text in different parts of your images and create something beautiful. While it looks great, it can be problematic on multiple grounds. For one, text in images is bad for search engines. Of course, Google is working on its ability to read text inside images, but it's still a long way away. Secondly, the design you've created may look stunning when you're sitting in front of your computer screen, but all your text may look poorly compressed on a mobile device. And without alt text, your image may be a serious deal breaker for users with visual impairments. Therefore, maintain a balance between your text and images, and try not to merge them unless absolutely necessary. eBay takes this advice seriously, and thus ensures there's no such superimposition between the text and images on its website. Number 2, huge inventory, but no filters. Great, you have a huge inventory with a lot of products. But if your users don't have the option to narrow down the products they're looking for, they might as well leave your website annoyed without purchasing anything. Nobody is interested in scrolling down your page for more than a minute. And that's why it's increasingly important to add a sorting option by review, size, colors, and type of product, for example. The e-commerce website Etsy knows it well, which is why it has ensured a wide range of filters for its viewers. Number 3, vague product descriptions. When customers are visiting your website, they have to know what they're purchasing. Vague product descriptions will only add to their skepticism and raise questions about your credibility. Hence, it's crucial you make your product descriptions as clear as possible. If your description is large, use bullet points so that users can scan the whole thing easily. Moreover, do not repeat the same description on multiple products. Make each description unique to the product itself. And finally, include product dimensions and thorough size guides if any. Check out this detailed product description by Walmart to get a solid idea. Moving on, number 4, low quality pictures. Pixelated pictures can be a bane for your website, tarnishing your brand reputation and raising doubts about product quality. To avoid this trouble altogether, make sure users can zoom in on your products and view details. Amazon has maintained this feature for quite some time and gained consumer trust. Up next, number 5, no updates. Once your Shopify store is up and running, you never have to touch it again, right? Wrong. Updating your page theme, changing codes, keeping track of new features, and so on are extremely important, especially for a Shopify store. You may be missing out on a ton of new features that Shopify rolls out over time if you fail to upgrade your website properly. Make sure you have a marketing or social media manager who knows what's going on with your site. Number 6, ignoring mobile sites. Go to Google Analytics and check out how much of your traffic is coming from mobile devices. Rest assured, it'll be much higher than what you had imagined. Mobile devices are becoming increasingly user-friendly, and as such, a poor mobile experience will severely damage conversions. Merely looking at your website from your desktop will give you a narrow, one-sided view of customer engagement. Therefore, monitor your site's performance on a mobile device by checking it once a week. Click on a product, add it to cart, and proceed to checkout. If you notice any lag or freeze in the process, look into it immediately. Lucky number 7, no email list. It's 2021. And yet, numerous stores still make the mistake of only building a social media community. It's brilliant if you have an avid social media presence, but not leveraging email marketing means you're missing out on a world of opportunities to connect with your customers. Hence, make sure you have a noticeable sign-up option on your website and send out emails to your subscribers about new deals, promotional offers, product launches, and so on. Number 8, not having an about page. Why should your customers come to you if you offer the same products as 10 other brands in the market? What makes you different and how do you stand out from the rest? The About section of your website is there to answer all these questions. Having a super generic story on the About page is almost as bad as not having an About page at all. So make sure you write a compelling story about your journey to connect with your consumers directly. How did you come up with your brand? What's the story behind your brand's name? What were the obstacles you faced? What is it that you want to bring to your customers that they haven't come across yet? Address these questions while crafting your About page. Number 9, ignoring shipping details. While making an online purchase, one of the primary questions that arise in a customer's mind is how they'll receive the product. And that is something many stores fail to address properly. Customers want to rest assured that they're paying for a product they'll receive on time. As such, they'll prefer a brand that clearly states their shipping details over one that doesn't. To avoid this problem altogether, make sure you include every vital information related to your shipping policy. Emphasize how fast your shipping is and clearly state free shipping and refund policies, if any. And finally, number 10, having no customer reviews. While looking for reassurance about a certain product, customers often check what other people had to say. Unfortunately, brands still make the mistake of not reaching out to customers for feedback, which consequently results in them losing potential buyers. Social proof plays a huge role in shaping customer mindset, especially for your Shopify store. So make sure to actively connect with your customers and ask them to leave a review of your product. Check out how Best Buy has a separate section just for customer reviews. And with that, we are done with the top 10 issues of a landing page. In short, these are text and images, huge inventory but no filters, vague product descriptions, low quality pictures, no updates, ignoring mobile sites, no email list, not having an about page, ignoring shipping details, and having no customer reviews. At this point, you should stop the video, take a screenshot, and check if your landing page suffers from any of them. If the answer is yes, you know what to do. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe so you can catch the second part of this series where I'll give you tips on how to create a high converting landing page for your e-commerce store. Till next time.